Have you ever wondered what truly happens inside a woman's body during orgasm?
It all begins in the brain with a powerful surge of desire and dopamine.
Dopamine floods the reward centers, creating waves of intense pleasure.
Blood rushes dramatically to the pelvic area, increasing sensitivity. The clitoris swells quickly and becomes extremely sensitive. Thousands of nerve endings fire simultaneously like an explosion. Natural lubrication begins to appear as the pelvic area prepares for intense activity. Powerful rhythmic contractions start in the pelvic floor muscles. The uterus begins rhythmic contractions, moving upward.
A massive wave of oxytocin floods the entire bloodstream.
Heart rate spikes dramatically during the peak of excitement. Breathing becomes fast and deep during the build-up phase. The pelvic muscles contract together in strong rhythm.
A warm, intense pleasure wave spreads through the entire body. Endorphins flood the brain, creating deep feelings of bliss. Some women experience full-body waves of intense pleasure. The entire nervous system lights up like a fireworks display. A sudden, overwhelming rush of pleasure spreads everywhere. The body trembles with continuing waves of pleasure. Oxytocin creates deep feelings of warmth and calm.
Heart rate and breathing slowly return to normal. All muscles relax after the powerful contractions.
This incredible physiological process can last from seconds to minutes. The female body is truly capable of amazing pleasure and wonder.